morning, everybody. Good morning. We're on our way to Palos again. The weather looks really good. We just passed by Hawthorne, was it? This is Margarita Drive right here. Marguerite. Cause a lot of y'all been asking me how to get there, but some of you guys just don't know how to find the street. This is to Christmas Tree Cove to be exact. So you're gonna hit as soon as you get to Via Anacapa, hit left. Oh shit. Oh, my seatbelt's stuck. Oh well. You're gonna come down this little street. So it's a left on Via Anacapa, coming straight down. What's that highway? That big one we were coming down? Oh, Paseo del Mar? So when you're coming down the big highway, Paseo del Mar, you hit a left on Via Anacapa. Left on Via Sola, you're gonna pass by this little school. Look, for you people who metal detect, if you guys ever go into schools, there's a good little field right here. People will. Keep coming down. Yeah.
And a Porsche and an Audi.
Let's just sit down.
And a Chrysler, yeah.
Ew, that Chrysler. That one needs to go. I know they better than that. Oh, these plants are pretty. But yeah, you come straight.
On the right is
Bitch. This house is really pretty. One of my favorite houses. But yeah, you just come down. You just keep following the road all the way up until you hit the coast. And this is it. Christmas chocolate.
He's dry.
Look it.
Oh, ew.
What is it doing?
He's inking, look. That's the ink.
Whoa, that's so pretty. Look at them. He's inking, y'all. Wow.
Ew, look, it got on me. Looks like
Dude. That's crazy. I didn't know snails did that. Badass. You learn something new every day. Wow. That was gnarly. I'm on. Big old kelpfish. Look at him. Oh my God. Look at, guys, he's huge. Oh my God. Nice, first catch of the day. What is it? He's tangled? In that kelp?
He's still there. Yeah, here he comes. Here he comes.
What is it?
Oh, big goldfish.
Oh! Nice, Jeff!
I'm on the smallest hook scope.
Go ahead. Oh my God. That is badass. He's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Does he?
Look at him.
Oh my God. Something I should... Oh, careful. Don't let him stab you, girl.
Watch when I get the pliers.
Okay.
Oh, do you have it? Yeah.
He's bad, Jeff. Is that a boy or a girl? Can you tell? He's really pretty.
Oh, I thought that was
Get a good. Look at his colors, guys. Gorgeous. Sorry. Got it? There you go. Let me see, get a good little view.
Good size. He's big.
Release. Oh, look at him. Oh, put him right here so I can see the light. Oh, yes. He's pretty. Release. You're surprised?
Because I just lifted and I felt. And he went to the rock.
Mm-hmm. I got him. Bass?
Oh, no.
Oh, ladyfish.
Damn, I haven't seen one of those in.
Oh, it's been a while.
That's a mature one. Watch out, you swallow it?
Yeah. Oh, he's trying to stab me.
Okay, back up a little bit.
Fuck.
Lay it down.
Fuck
In
me.
that puddle.
I'm gonna take you off, man. Oh, I hate these freaking fish. Oh, stop it! Gotcha. Oh, you little ugly bitch. Cigarette fish, right? Cigar fish?
Rock rat.
Oh, rock rat. Oh. Ladyfish, rock rat, ugly ass bitch. Get the fuck out of my face. Oh, that's little bitch. Oh, I'm on. Oh, it's a little Cali. Yay. Oh. Oh, I double hooked his mouth. Cute little baby calico. He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Bye. Is something even gonna come out?
Yeah, look, he's breaking the stuff. Go down to the tag.
Mm-hmm. I got one. Oh, he's so pretty.
Did you swallow it?
No, it's right on his lip. Oh.
Careful.
Oh, he's so red. Look at him. Sorry, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, I'm on. Cap. Oh, another calico. I'm moving. Chill, bro. Yeah, right up ahead. Just right. Yep, right there. Oh, look, he could keep the bait. Look, he has the bait in his mouth still. Jeff. He's iridescent. He has the bait in his mouth still. He's pretty. Bye, my love. Yeah. I literally just caught this little baby cab, just literally messing around, putting my bait into the water. Look at him. He's so tiny. Look at the cabbie! Oh, you look a lot bigger underwater. Wow. Got one. You're on? Nice.
Oh, it's a
Bass? Opaline, nice. Hell yeah, Jeff. Nice. Nice, Jeff. How you know?
Oh,
Bubba.
she's pregnant. I could tell. Oh my god, she's hella pregnant.
She's gonna give birth again. Yes, she the fuck is. Oh, she's about to give birth, huh?
Oh my god.
Is she? Are they coming out or am I tripping?
Mama, don't have them. God, she's huge.
She is. Look, pregnant little bum. She's pretty. Let her calm down.
Can't let her go because they're not ready to come.
Yeah. She would have let them off if they were ready.
Go have them in the keep, mama.
Alright, we're out of here. Couldn't catch our last fish. The weather's not bad or whatever, but we're gonna go Meredith for a bit. Caught a good amount of fish, right? I'm satisfied. We're leaving now. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that little driving view helps you guys when you guys try to find looking for this spot. Oh, my hair might be fucked up. Anyways, I'll try to explain it as best I can. If not, I'm gonna show you guys the way out as well too. So, but yeah, as the fishing we're done, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna come back pretty soon. Oh God. But yeah. See y'all later. Bye. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Comments especially. I love comments when you guys start interacting. But we out of here. See y'all later. Bye.